it's me, Lizzy, and my friend. She's from another cupcake, and she's from another YouTube channel.
Yeah,
and we're friends.
And by the way, guys, if y'all like this video, if y'all know whoever dared us to do something.
Yeah, we told you in my very first video.
Or my video. Okay,
yeah.
Now place it down.
And so we're playing shoot and ladders. No, turn it the other way. We're having difficulties. And so we're going to be telling you stuff. So we have the board. If you know this game, comment or subscribe and comment down below. And we have these cards.
By the way, our my YouTube channel is
called Zoe Walker.
Yeah.
My name's called I don't know what.
Candy. What's your name?
I think it's Candy Randall. Candy Randall
Powers.
Yeah.
It's like your Facebook.
And these are cards that we draw in. If they're not leathers, then you skip a turn. But if they are leathers, like a 7, we each have characters. I have wedding cake. You can't see, but it's a Shopkin.
Mine's a little Angone
from Minecraft. And so I draw the 7. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hops. And if you go down slide, and if you go down slide, then you go down the slide. If you land on the ladder space, you go up this ladder. So let's play. Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
Guess first.
7.
Got 7.
Okay. Let's just go to 7.
That's the really easy part. Not right there. Okay, let me draw.
So mine's like.
You're not in the video.
See this.
Get in here. Get in here.
You can not even see this.
Well, you can see our distraction.
Yeah. So pretty much.
Here, let me try to make his face down a little.
That's a little bit better.
Let's scoot it back.
Oh wait, scoot it more up. Okay, guys. I hope y'all.
Yeah, I hope you can see, but you can see our little smile. We'll have.
By the way, guys, if y'all have blind bags like my videos, I said, God, they're blind bags. Too many.
I know, those are my blind bags up there. Those are my blind bags. That was my blind bags up there.
And these are like Shopkins.
All are Shopkins. My favorite blind bags are Shopkins.
This
is not about a blind bag video. Oh, just keep it there. My turn.
Oh wait, if you get honey and sugar, that can make lemonade.
Okay, come on. Come on. I want to go.
Okay, go.
8.
Oh, you get the earth.
1 hop before. And So I'm on 8 and she's on 7. She's on gold and I'm on wedding cake.
So 7 plus 5 is 12. I think. Yeah, 12.
7,
so going
8,
up
9,
the
10,
ladder.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
No.
17. Oh wait.
It's only 5. 7 plus 5
1, 2,
equals
3,
12.
4, 5. No, you don't go up here.
No, look. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Look, you were right here.
Right here.
No, you were right here.
12's right here. Yeah, I know. That's 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't go up the ladder. If you land right here, you go up the ladder. So you stay right there.
I go to 12.
12.
Yeah,
and you don't go up the ladder.
Darn it.
Oh, she tried to cheat.
Going up the ladder.
No, you don't. You're like barely in this video. Get in here, girl.
Cupcake is gonna be mad. So right now, if y'all know, hi, I'm B. I love that show.
Oh, I got a boo-hoo. Look,
Ha-ha.
I got a Jack.
Ha-ha.
How about we show them the cards that we got?
Yeah, so.
Got a Jake.
I got a 2, so 14.
Show them. She got a 2.
Who cares about the cards?
I got a 9. Ooh.
Nobody cares about the 9.
I got a 9.
Nobody cares.
I got the 9.
That's 18.
1.
No, it's not. It's 17.
I'm 17. I just landed on 17. I know what I had, but I'm just going hopping. I'm hopping.
6. 14 plus 6, 20.
Here, I'll give you a good deal.
I get 20.
Right now.
I get 20.
There's the board. She's right there. She's over. She's right there on 20, and I'm on 17. Yeah. And there's the slides. That's so awesome. turn. Wait. I made it too low. Here, wait.
Anyway, guys.
I'm getting set up so they could see.
But anyways, it's gonna be live. I love that show. I hate that show. I hate baby live shows. So if you're like,
oh yeah,
Katie, Maple, I hate you. I hate you.
That's kind of rude.
I know.
She's being rude.
No, she.
No, she is. See.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
No, it's my turn. No, it's my turn. 10. I got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 27. Our piles are dirty.
4. Oh wait, I got it from there. 5. 25.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I know how to count.
5 right here.
Oh darn it! Ow! I broke. Ow!
Right there.
I'm on her head.
No, you're not 24. 1, 2, 3, 4,
25.
5.
I'm at her.
Can you move?
Oh.
Run away.
No.
Stop. You better. I got a boohoo. I got a queen. I'm sorry. She got a boohoo. I got a 5.
It's 32.
So far, we're doing good.
10. So 25.
We're doing good.
35. What's 35? Are you on 35? No, you aren't. 35. 30.
And happy Thanksgiving.
It's not Thanksgiving.
Well, yes, it's Thanksgiving. Stop.
No, you.
Yesterday was Thanksgiving and it was cool.
No, wait. Yesterday was not Thanksgiving. It's next Thursday.
Well, yesterday was our Thanksgiving feast at 3rd grade.
Who cares?
Okay. I got a big boo-boo, but I got a joker. That's so cool. Joker. Oh, you put it right there.
No.
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 Jay put it.
I put it right here.
No. Oh, you picked up some boo-boo. My turn. I got a 2.
You just got
1, 2.
52.
I got 50.
Huh?
I got 50.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I was right here. I was going the wrong way. 1, 2. Ooh, I'm just kidding.
Where are you? Oh, you're right by me.
Oh, I'm almost.
9.
I'm almost.
Okay.
What is a big black thing? Here, I'm gonna hold you for now on 6 cents. You cannot see the board, can you? It's gonna be a boring video. There's me. I'm wedding cake.
40.
And she's the I'm going.
44. I'm at 44. Yeah.
I'm gonna draw my card. I got a boo-hoo. I got a boo-hoo. She got a boo-hoo. She got a boo-hoo. I got a boo-hoo. Stop it.
It's raining. It's raining.
Stop.
It's raining.
Stop. I got a boo-hoo.
No, you didn't.
I want to get to turn. Wait, was I holding